Hi everyone, Irina Geller here, Emotional Eating Coach. And today I want to talk to you about a 5 simple step process that you can use to jumpstart a healthy habit. So it's the 4th day of spring and many people are wanting to start healthy habits after perhaps comfort eating through winter, or could be an exercise habit you want to start. And the thing is, the choices we make every day compound in either one way. So they can go in a way of being healthy, or they could go the other way where if you're not making good choices, it may influence your health. So which way do you want to go? And the thing is, it's one thing wanting to start a new habit, and it's another thing actually doing it. And I believe that one of the issues is that a lot of us have this black and white thinking. So, we either have to exercise for 1 hour or we just don't do it at all. And so many of us, based on these limiting beliefs, on this dysfunctional thinking, end up doing nothing. So that's why I want to share with you this simple process where you actually do something for a short period of time. You make it doable, and so it feels achievable, and you reward yourself for it. And then you add a little bit more time. So, and that's because actually good habits compound like interest. So once you start and you increase incrementally, it will be like getting interest in the bank. So let's begin. Step number 1 is choose a behavior or a habit that you'd like to start or you'd like to establish. Step number 2 is you need to schedule it in. So it's got to be in your diary or in your schedule, otherwise you may forget about it. And step number 3 is just run it for 1 minute. Don't worry that it's only 1 minute. And if you can't even do 1 minute, run it for 30 seconds. Because the next step is to increase it incrementally. So if you ran 1 minute on Monday, on Thursday or Wednesday or Tuesday, you may do it for 1.5 minutes. Or maybe 1 minute and 15 seconds. If you do this over a year, you might actually end up running 5Ks. You just don't know, do you? So remain curious and interested. And so that was step number 4, adding the small increments. I'm sorry, I've gone off the subject a little bit. And step number 5 is my favorite step, and that is rewarding yourself, celebrating your success. So imagine if you started doing something for 1 minute a day, and in 4 weeks' time, you were doing it for 10 minutes or maybe half an hour. Would you be happy with that? I think you might be. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment below and let me know what strategies you have for starting or jump-starting healthy habits. And I hope you're enjoying the spring weather. And I look forward to speaking to you next week on Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye, Irina Geller. Ciao for now.